we'll guide you through how to find a Replit discount code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and search for Replit discount codes. You can check popular coupon websites like Retail Me Not or Honey. These sites often list current discount codes and promotions specifically for Replit. Visit the Replit website and scroll to the bottom of the homepage to see if they offer any ongoing promotions or discounts directly. Another great way is to subscribe to Replit's newsletter. Companies often send exclusive deals and codes to their subscribers, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on your inbox for any promotions. You can also follow Replit's official social media accounts. Platforms like Twitter and Instagram might have posts about limited-time offers or special promo codes. If you are a student or educator, check if Replit offers any educational discounts. Sometimes they have special rates for educational purposes. Finally, keep an eye out for seasonal sales such as Black Friday or Cyber Monday, when Replit might offer significant discounts. These events are a great time to grab a deal. Make sure you apply any found code during the checkout process on Replit to benefit from the discount. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.